Imagine living in a world where your phone could only make calls. No texting, no internet, no social media, no online gaming. Now imagine downloading a full HD movie in less than 1 second, or attending a hologram meeting with someone on the other side of the planet. This is not science fiction. This is the evolution of mobile networks from 1G to 6G. In this video, we're going to explore how each generation of wireless technology changed the world and what the future might look like. The story begins in the 1980s with the first generation of mobile networks minus 1G. 1G was completely analog. That means voice signals were transmitted as continuous radio waves instead of digital data. The technology was revolutionary for its time. For the first time in history, people could make phone calls without being connected to a wire, but there were serious limitations. Call quality was poor, signals were weak, interference was common, and most importantly, there was no encryption. Anyone with the right equipment could intercept your call. Phones during the 1G era were huge. Some weighed over 1 kilogram. Batteries lasted less than an hour of talk time. And the cost, extremely expensive. 1G was not for everyone. It was mostly used by business executives and wealthy individuals. Still, this was the beginning. The world had just taken its first step into mobile freedom. In the early 1990s, 2G arrived and everything changed. Unlike 1G, 2G used digital signals. This improved call clarity dramatically. But the real revolution was SMS short message service. Text messaging allowed people to communicate instantly without making a call. It was quiet, fast, and cheap. Teenagers began texting non-stop. Businesses started using SMS alerts. 2G also introduced basic mobile internet through technologies like GPRs and edge. Speeds were slow, sometimes under 100 kilobits per second. But for the first time, phones could send emails and access simple web pages. Mobile communication was no longer just about voice. It was becoming data. Then came 3G. This was the generation that truly introduced mobile internet to the mass. Speeds increased to several megabits per second. Suddenly, browsing the web on your phone was actually usable. Video calling became possible. Streaming low-quality videos became realistic. This era also marked the rise of smartphones. App stores were created. Social media platforms began to dominate. The phone was no longer just a communication device. It was becoming a pocket computer. If 3G introduced mobile internet, 4G perfected it. 4G LTE delivered speeds over 100 megabits per second. Buffering became rare. HD video streaming became normal. Platforms like YouTube exploded in popularity. Online multiplayer gaming on mobile became smooth and competitive. Ride-sharing apps, food delivery, live streaming, all of this became possible because of 4G. The smartphone became the center of modern life. 5G is more than just faster speed. It focuses on three main improvements: higher bandwidth, ultra-low latency, massive device connectivity. Latency can drop below 10 milliseconds. This allows real-time cloud gaming, augmented reality experiences, smart cities powered by millions of connected sensors. Self-driving cars rely on this instant communication to avoid accidents. Hospitals experiment with remote robotic surgeries using 5G networks. We are entering an era where machines communicate constantly. 6G is still under research, but scientists predict speeds up to 1 terabit per second. That is potentially 100 times faster than 5G. Latency may become almost zero. Artificial intelligence could be built directly into the network. Networks may automatically optimize themselves in real time. Holographic communication could become reality. Instead of video calls, you might see a 3D projection of someone standing in front of you. The boundary between digital and physical worlds may disappear completely. In just a few decades, mobile networks evolved from simple analog voice calls to intelligent Ultra-fast global systems capable of connecting billions of devices instantly. 1G gave us mobility. 2G gave us messaging. 3G gave us the internet. 4G gave us streaming and digital life. 5G is building smart cities. And 6G may reshape reality itself. The question is, what will 7G bring? The future is closer than we think.